Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding screen size and scaling. Pick a 16:9 approximation so proportions look right. Once decided, mark the outer frame with black concrete and build a 1-block deep bezel. Lay the white concrete behind as the display surface so pixels stand out. While you work, place scaffolding to reach the top rows and keep redstone components nearby. This saves time when wiring. Make sure to test a single column as you go to confirm spacing and visibility before continuing. Once the frame is ready, you build pixel modules. Mount a redstone lamp for each pixel and run redstone dust or a comparator to its input. Use repeaters to extend signal distance and adjust delay so whole rows update evenly. This prevents flicker. Make vertical or horizontal buses for power, and use redstone torches to invert signals when mapping binary on /off states. While wiring, group cables into neat channels behind the display, so maintenance and upgrades remain simple and predictable. You finalize by attaching a controller, buttons, levers, or command blocks to drive patterns and animations. Make sure each control maps to the correct bus. Then run full screen tests, a solid fill, scanning lines, and single pixel toggles to validate every lamp. If pixels fail, inspect repeater direction and settings, verify redstone torch states, and look for missing dust or block updates. A common fix is reorienting a repeater or adding a short delay. Once fixed, rerun the pattern tests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.